Good morning. It is Wednesday, and that means it is Mini Mania. I have 75 bucks, got my cards out today, and a couple of new minis. So let's get into the fun. First up, on Sunday I finished the the cookie jar challenge that finished up this bundle. And so this little bundle gave me $135. And I feel like it took forever doing this. I think I started it in May and it took me this long to finish these up. But it's okay because this is a little extra boost of money that I was saving just for summer fun, for snacks and all of that stuff during the summer when everybody is home and just looking for stuff to do. So this money is actually being put into my spending account so that we can just have this money on hand. So that is exciting to have. All right, now because I finished the cookie jar challenge, I need to replace that mini with something. And I just put these cute little Santa off duty mini savings challenge bundle on my Ko-Fi shop. And if you watched the video on Sunday, you got the coupon code. Everything this week is 10% off, including all of my Christmas challenges that I'm putting up. So I thought I would do this one and replace that in the mini. But then there are the other cute little surfer Santa, because he's off duty drinking his lemonade and surfing and enjoying his cool little coconut drinks. And this is the one I'm going to do for today. So let's put this in the binder. Where was it? I think it was up front. Yeah. Oh, number 2. And I'm going to make each of these $2 to save 64. I've already started my Christmas savings, and this is going to just add on to it. I think I made my goal was 1,500 this year, and I'm nowhere near that, but I feel like if I do these minis and, in addition to my regular stuffing, that I'll get there. So, but I like to feel like I'm finishing something a little faster. So I am going to make that $2. And then let me put these back here with the extras. And there. All right, let's get going. Got my cards here. I'll put those kind of working at an awkward angle. Whoops, hit the camera. Hit it again. Sorry. All right. Number 2 gets a 5. Wow, right off the top. Number 1. And add money to the pocket with the least amount. Well, that would be any pocket. I love when that one's up front. So this one is a new one, blowing bubbles, and I'm going to add that in there to that one. A wild, ooh, for a 10, wild. Let's see. That gets that one close to being done. Spring cleaning. I think that's the one I want to go with. Yes. 7, Halloween. The Halloween stuff is already on sale, and my son will be disappointed because the little thing that he was wanting to buy is not out. Hopefully they'll put it out. All right, number 4 gets 10 for my glasses. Number 4 gets another 5. Add money to the next two pockets. The washer and bubble gum. All right, I have 3 more to go. A wild. You know what? I'm going to put that in this other one that I feel like I've been doing forever. Spring cleaning, and that finishes that one. All right. Number 10. So not everything is going to get something today, and that's okay. Number 6. So let's look and see, because I feel like the few things that did get money got a lot, and then just kind of the other ones just didn't get anything. So let's go back and count and see what we got. All right. Hoot is getting $5 added to it. Plus 5 gives me $64 in here. And got some new markers. Okay. Number 2. Oh, did I not get a tracker for these? I know there's a tracker. Maybe I just didn't print that page. I'll pull a tracker out of this envelope. Let's just do a green one. It's got a little red banner on it. Okay. So today is not 6, but 7/12. We forgot to go get our free slush yesterday at 7-Eleven. And I guess I should say I forgot, because it was just me at home yesterday. I am going to Santa's little dream. And that goes in there. Nothing goes in that one. This one gets $15. It's 15, and that brings us to $58. And I can color 1, 5, 10, yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm gonna make my eye appointment in the next couple of weeks. Washer and dryer had $68 in it. I'm adding 5, and it's going to be 73. And I can do one more washer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This next one, blowing bubbles, did really well today. I put 15 in this one. $15 going in this one. And So I'm going to do 7. And so that's that one. So cute. This one is in the freebie pack for my 100 subscriber freebie. Halloween. All right, Halloween already had $8 in there, and I'm adding 5, which brings us to 13. And that's that one. All right, this one is done. Yay. Spring cleaning has $100 in it. Today I am adding $12. I'm at 12. I'm adding $20. And this one will have $100 in here. And I am very happy because with relatives coming in town, I just want to purge my craft room and other things. So this money is going to come in handy to be moved. I'm going to move it over today. $100 in spring cleaning. That one is not going back in. Put that one up there. Nothing for that one. $5 goes into this one. And 40 is what we have now. And that was a quick one. $40 towards electronics. I don't know what we're going to use it for. We have new phones, so. Well, that is it, guys. I am out of money, and I got through quite a few of these, added a few new ones, and got some money in those today. Getting a step closer to finishing up a couple of others. I did finish 2 of them today, which is exciting, because I felt like the ones that I finished last week in combination with these, I feel like were kind of ongoing forever, and it just felt like I wasn't making any ground on them. So now looking through, I have a good mixture of challenges that, like this one, that will take me a little longer to finish, and those like the ones that I added today that will get done fairly quickly because the denominations are lower. So I think there's a good balance in there now, and I feel like I'm accomplishing something, but then also have those longer term challenges. I'm excited to be able to add these to the scrapbook and this money to my spending account, and to get the dumpster or the big trash bin delivered so that we can do some purging in our house, some physical purging. So with all of that said, I want to thank you again. Thank you to the people who have taken the time to subscribe to my channel, to join me on this savings journey. I am on a mission to really change the way I look at my spending, and just to change my relationship with my finances. And in just the 7 months that I have been saving and doing this, I have already noticed a change in myself, not just the fact that my bank account is growing and I feel better because I'm no longer living paycheck to paycheck, but I just the way that I'm thinking about money, the way that I'm thinking about our spending. We're not just running to the store, buy whatever we want. I don't just spend on Amazon. The packages aren't coming every day like they could be coming every day. So I'm just looking at spending in a different way. And this is really helping. Doing the savings challenges on Sunday gets me focused on where my money is, where it's going. And then having these minis on Wednesdays just serves as a reset in the middle of the week to keep me focused on my savings towards the end, towards those goals. And so it really keeps me motivated to move forward with my savings. So I'm excited to see where this is going to end up at the end of this year and moving into setting goals for next year and beyond. So with that, I hope that you will join me and subscribe to my channel and join me on this savings journey, and share where you are in the comments on your savings journey as well. I will be back on Sunday with savings challenges. I have a couple of new ones that I'll be sharing that are Christmas themed that will be going up this week on my Ko-Fi shop. And I have a few other little things in store. So I hope to see you back on Sunday. Until then, stay cool out there because it is hot. Goodbye.